two dogs.
Okay, little dog, big dog, now the dogs are going to be fighting. And she actually grew up on a farm way out in nowhere, and that's how she started imitating animals. So, and she practiced a lot too. So you know a horse? Can you want to hear a horse? She is going to do a monkey. Did you have a monkey on your farm? She didn't have a monkey on her farm, but okay, here goes the monkey. Very good. I think we want to hear the big dog one more time. Very good. Our last one, she'll do dog fight. Dog fight. Here goes the dog fight one more time. We see why he called her to be on there.
If you look on their website at jlenoshow.com, look for October 15th. Last Thursday, Jeff Dunham was on there. I got to perform for him, yeah. And so you can look it up online if you want to.
Thank you very much for traveling all the way.
You're awesome!
Okay, we are going to be setting up for the thriller dance in just a minute. So it's going to be the center area. So if you want to help make a